It's the feminine energy. 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 Runs inside of me. Thumb to thumb, we sweat and then we take it off. The night is long, so let your mind get what it wants. There's nothing wrong in owning what you fucking got. Getting stronger, going harder than your favorite god. Nothing is too extreme. Sex in a limousine. Naked in magazines. Natural better me. Blaming the dopamine. The grand infinity. The air, the adrenaline. It's the feminine energy.